In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email event details in Google Calendar. This is a really handy feature when you need to quickly share all the key information about a meeting or event without copying and pasting everything manually. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what the email will include, and how to follow the prompts so your message sends smoothly. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once your calendar is loaded, locate the specific event you want to share. This might be a meeting, an appointment, or a reminder that's already on your calendar. Click directly on that event. When you do, a small pop-up or side panel will appear with the event's details, such as the title, date, time, location, and any guests you've added. Inside this event details panel, look for the email event details icon. Depending on your version or screen size, this icon might appear as a small envelope or an option labeled something similar to email event. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the icons if you're not sure which one it is. When you see the one labeled for emailing event details, click on it. As soon as you click that icon, Google Calendar will open a new window or panel with an email draft already prepared for you. This is where you simply follow the on-screen prompts. The subject line will usually include the event name, and the body of the email will contain the important event information, like the date, time, location, video conferencing link if there is one, and any notes from the event description. Review the recipients to make sure the right people are included. You can add or remove email addresses as needed. If you want to add a personal message, type it above or below the automatically generated details so your recipients have context about why you're sending this. Before sending, double check the event information for accuracy, especially the time zone, date, and